Hello and welcome back to PC Quest. Gamers, let's take a trip down memory lane. Imagine the first time you played GTA 1. The top down view, simple graphics, and yet you felt like a criminal mastermind. From that tiny city to GTA 6 massive next gen world, Rockstar Games has redefined open world gaming, crime stories, and player freedom. Before we start, a quick question. Which GTA game is your all-time favorite? Comment below. Today we'll explore each GTA game, the cities, the characters, the gameplay innovations, and what made each entry unforgettable. Our journey starts in 1997 with GTA 1, which had top-down 2D gameplay, pixelated characters but full sandbox chaos. You could steal cars, do missions for gangs, and cause mayhem. Liberty City, San Andreas, Vice City, the names were there even back then. Then came GTA 2 in 1999 with futuristic 1990s city. Gang system introduced with different factions, minor improvements in graphics and mission design, still top down but the sense of freedom grew. Even in 2D, Rockstar sets the foundation for crime, choice, and chaos that defines GTA today. In 2001, Rockstar changed the game forever. Here, GTA 3 was introduced with fully 3D open world, Liberty City reimagined in detail, radio stations with iconic soundtracks, and story-driven missions. This was the first GTA where you felt I am really living in a city. You played as Claude, silent but unforgettable, running from cops, rival gangs, and massive chaos. In 2002, Vice City was introduced, set in 1986 with Miami-inspired city. Neon lights, beaches, retro music, pastel suits. Play as Tommy Vercetti, the gangster rising through crime. Cars, fashion, and culture were all about the 80s vibe. Vice City was more than a game. It was living, breathing nostalgia trip. In 2004, San Andreas blew minds. 3 cities, Los Santos, San Fierro, and Las Venturas. Rural areas, forest, mountains. First time GTA gave massive math variety. Play as CJ, explore gang life, family, and corruption. RPG elements like gym, food, stats, vehicles, and planes. San Andreas didn't just push size and freedom, it created a living ecosystem with gangs, cops, and side activities. In 2008, Liberty City returns, but this time real-world inspired. Play as Nico Bellic, an immigrant chasing the real-world American dream. Focus on story, realism, and emotion. Dragon felt witty, shooting felt tactical, and a darker, more mature GTA. GTA 4 showed Rockstar could balance story and freedom, raising the bar for future titles. In 2013, GTA 5 was launched, which is iconic. Why? Because of 3 protagonists, Michael, Franklin, and Trevor. Massive, beautiful Los Santos and countryside. Haste, stocks, online multiplayer, detail everywhere like traffic, crowds, radio, and wildlife. It was not just a game, it was a cultural phenomenon, selling over 185 million copies and still active today. And now we have GTA 6, Rockstar's most ambitious project yet. First mainline female protagonist, Lucia with partner Jason. Set in Leonida State, huge map inspired by Florida. Cities, beaches, swamps, islands, and mountains. Biggest GTA map ever. Social media integration, your chaos can go viral. modern graphics, ultra-realistic AI, and dynamic world. GTA 6 is shaping up to combine everything fans loved: story, characters, crime, and a living modern city. From top-down chaos in GTA 1 to next-generation realism in GTA 6, Rockstar has evolved gaming history one city at a time. Each game added bigger maps, deeper stories, and more freedom. Now it's your turn. Which GTA game changed the way you play forever? Comment below. If you enjoyed this journey through GTA's history, hit like, share, and subscribe for more gaming breakdowns. Because when it comes to GTA, it's not just a game, it's a legacy.